I think, deeply humbled, actually. Yeah, there are two parts to this role, Director of British Army Leadership and Commandant of the Royal Military Academy, Sandhurst. So look, I'm definitely finishing these 2 years as a better leader, having learned, as I say to the cadets, they're like, oh, General, what's your singular piece of advice? Just keep getting better every day. And that's true for generals, as it is for officer cadets, as it is for lance corporals and privates. Keep getting better every day. So, yeah, I'm excited and renewed and refreshed as I go forward.
Academy, thank you for the distinct honour that you served me today. I'd like to wish each and every one of you every success in your careers as officer cadets in your armies and the British armies. Every success for your futures as you lead our soldiers in the next challenges, wherever they may be in the world. Serve to lead. Thank you.